So any of you that have ever uploaded anything to YouTube, know there's a little box that asks you, have you used AI or have you altered the video in any way? I'll have to admit there's times I don't really know how to answer that. I know sometimes if I'm using my phone, point my phone at me, I hit record. I don't know what all kind of computational stuff my phone's doing. Don't know if it's using AI to blur the background, to adjust the color. I really don't know how to answer that sometimes. I'm not using AI, but who in the world knows what my phone's doing? Jim would say some words here, but he thinks he'll just let you listen to the cardinals and the northern mockingbirds. Jim was starting to think that as soon as he said he'd let you listen to them, they were going to hush. Cardinals and robins are dancing around on the ground. It's only two birds I see that I can identify right now. Actually on the ground. Others are in the tree in the field across the way. Not real sure what the cardinal looks for. He jumps along the edge of the sidewalk, bouncing around, looking into the grass. Cardinal comes along. Not the cardinal. Robin comes along after every rain. Starts picking at the worms. Not real sure if that's what the cardinal's looking for or not. With their big beaks, I've always thought they were more of a nut eater instead of a bug eater. That may be incorrect there. Jim thinks that's the sound of a northern mockingbird. The mindless polyglottis. Someone knows different and correct Jim, please let him know.